Happy MetroTurf MMTCI Friday Racing. May 1, 2026, meron hinandang 8 races at start time po is 4 p.m. Winner take all carryover Friday Racing Day tayo. Meron isang set ng winner take all, isang set ng pick 6, dalawang set ng pick 5, at isang set ng pick 4. Good luck bayang karerista. Let's G! Race number 1, start ng first pick 5 covers, races 1 to 5. 3-year-old and above maiden race placers. Distance is 1,400 meters. Meron ditong 7 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 1, Milazzo. To be ridden by RM Garcia. Pinapatok sa Dividendazo, pwede ng Panolo. Second choice niya is entry number 2, Sense of Joy. Jockey is JL Paano. Mapapahawak mo ang beat ang sabi ni Carrera Outsider. Third choice is entry number 6, Sky Warrior. Jockey is CS Pare Jr. Pwedeng pangsama. So dito sa race number 1, first choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 1, Milazzo. Second choice is entry number 2, Sense of Joy. And third choice is entry number 6, Sky Warrior. Race number 2, start ng winner take all covers, races 2 to 8. Carry over dito ng winner take all na tumataginting na 6.8 million pesos. Philracom rating, based handicap system race class 4, 42 to 56 split. Distance is 1,400 meters. Meron ditong 12 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is si entry number 5, Carmela's Love. Jockey is CM Pilapil. Dehadong kursunada lang daw ni Carrera Outsider. Second choice is entry number 6, Beautiful Liana. Jockey is JQ Cabarrios, baka dito na makapanalo. Third choice is entry number 10, Swift Andri. Jockey is JB Bakaykay, malaki din ang panalo. So dito sa race number 2, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice is entry number 5, Carmela's Love. Second choice is entry number 6, Beautiful Liana. And third choice niya is entry number 10, Swift Andri. Race number 3, start ng pick 6 covers races 3 to 8. Philracom rating based handicap system, race class 4, 42 to 56 split. Distance is 1,400 meters. Merong 12 entries. First choice niya is entry number 7, River Rose. Rerendahan ulit ni Patty Dilemma. Baka makaulit muli, pwede ulit Panolo. Second choice is entry number 12, American Pariah. Jockey is GL Ciego Jr. Maganda ang post position at buenas ang hinete. Third choice is entry number 3, Trump Peter. Jockey is NC Lunar. Baka makadehado. So dito sa race number 3, first choice niya is entry number 7, River Rose. Second choice is entry number 12, American Pariah. And third choice is entry number 3, Trump Peter. Race number 4, start ng second pick, 5 covers races 4 to 8. Philracom rating, based handicap system, race class 517 to 41 split. Distance is 1,400 meters. 12 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 12, Money for Biffany. Jockey is CS Pare Jr. Ang sabi ni Carrera Outsider, baka daw buenas ang connections. Second choice is entry number 3, Kaboom. Jockey is JL Paano. Baka magpasabog na naman daw si Boy TikTok. Third choice is entry number 9, Escondido. Jockey is JR De Ocampo. Malaki din ang panalo. So dito sa race number 4, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice niya is entry number 12, Money for Biffany. Second choice is entry number 3, Kaboom. And third choice niya is entry number 9, Escondido. Race number 5, start ng pick 4 covers, races 5 to 8. Philracom rating based handicap system, race class 517 to 41 split. Distance is 1,400 meters. Meron ditong 12 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 4, Super Daily Den. Jockey is Pat R. Dilemma. Baka daw umisa pa. Second choice is entry number 3, Chocolate Thunder. Jockey is RC Simasio. Ang sabi lang ni Carrera Outsider, malaki panalo kapag may go signal. Third choice is entry number 2, Brown Pirate. Jockey is JL Lazaro. Pag kumpleto ang vitamins, patok daw eto. So dito sa race number 5, ang mga pili naman ni Carrera Outsider dito. First choice niya is entry number 4, Super Daily Den. Second choice naman is entry number 3, Chocolate Thunder. And third choice niya is entry number 2, Brown Pirate. Race number 6, last extra double at daily double plus 1 covers races 6 to 8. Philracom rating based handicap system race class 4, 42 to 56 split. Distance is 1,400 meters. Meron ditong 12 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 4, Tadeus. Jockey is JL Lazaro. Minamagaling sa Dividendazo. Second choice is entry number 2, Fields Amor. Jockey is JT Pabilik, baka makachamba. Third choice is entry number 10, Style and Profile. Jockey is RC Simasio. Baka makaisa pa, kursunadang dehado lang daw ni Carrera Outsider. So dito sa race number 6, first choice niya is entry number 4, Tadeus. Second choice is entry number 2, Fields Amor. And third choice is entry number 10, Style and Profile. Race number 7, penultimate race. Philracom rating-based handicap system race class 4, 42 to 56 split. Distance is 1,400 meters. Meron ulit ditong 12 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 1, Cerveza. Jockey is Pat R. Dilemma, lamang daw sa laban. Second choice is entry number 9, Hans City. Jockey is JB Hernandez, baka makaulit daw ng panalo. Third choice is entry number 10, Top Czar. Jockey is R.A. Base, pwedeng manalo. So dito sa race number 7, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice niya dito is entry number 1, Cerveza. Second choice is entry number 9, Hans City. And third choice niya is entry number 10, Top Czar. Race number 8, last and final race. Philracom rating-based handicap system race class 5:17 to 41 split. Distance is 1,400 meters. Meron ditong 12 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 8, Spaghetting Pababa. Jockey is CP Henson, napupunto ng manalo. Second choice is entry number 7, Margo. Jockey is JL Lazaro. Kursunadang dehado lang daw ni Carrera Outsider. Third choice is entry number 3, Sting. Jockey is JB Hernandez. Baka mag back-to-back wins ang hinete, wag lang daw nakainom ng Cobra. So dito sa race number 8, ang mga kursunadat na pupusuan ni Carrera Outsider. First choice niya dito is entry number 8, Spaghetting Pababa. Second choice is entry number 7, Margo. And third choice is entry number 3, Sting.